Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets knowledge. Today, we're talking about something that promises to keep your skin glowing all day long. Estée Lauder's Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Foundation SPF 45. This foundation claims to give you a flawless complexion, offering both hydration and longwear. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. This foundation comes in a 1.2 fl bottle and is designed for a range of skin types, including combination, dry, and oily skin. It's got a radiant finish and is available in various shades, with the color we're focusing on today being 3-in-1 Ivory Beige, perfect for medium skin with neutral undertones. The big selling point here is the addition of SPF 45, making it a great choice for daily wear to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. But does it deliver all that it promises? When I first incorporated this foundation into my beauty routine, I was struck by how easy it was to apply. The liquid formula glides on smoothly, giving the skin an almost immediate dewy finish. It's not too heavy, so you don't feel like you're wearing a mask, but it's definitely buildable, allowing you to customize the coverage from light to medium without it feeling cakey. The real test, though, came with wear time. I wore it for several hours throughout the day. Morning meetings, a walk outside, and an evening dinner, and it truly held up well. The foundation didn't settle into fine lines, and I didn't experience any excessive shine, despite my combination skin. One of the standout features here is the SPF 45. It's always a plus to have that added layer of protection in a foundation, especially for those who prefer to skip an extra sunscreen step in the morning routine. The hydrating factor is also notable. It didn't dry out my skin or leave me feeling tight, which sometimes happens with longwear foundations. I'd say the hydration is definitely there, and the radiant finish adds a natural glow that looks fresh and healthy. However, I did notice that while the finish is radiant, it might not be for those who prefer a matte look, especially if you have oily skin. I found that during warmer parts of the day, I did need to blot a bit more than usual. The good news is, even with the radiant finish, it didn't look greasy, just a healthy glow, which I personally love. Now let's break it down. The pros. First off, the hydration is real, and if you've got dry skin, you'll likely appreciate how this foundation feels. It's also incredibly long-wearing, 12 hours as promised, and the SPF 45 is a major win. The buildable coverage allows you to control how much you want, and the radiant finish is flattering for most skin types. But there are a couple of cons. If you're oily, you might need to powder down in certain areas as the day goes on. The radiant finish, while beautiful, can lean a little too glowy for those who prefer a matte look. And while the SPF is a great bonus, keep in mind it's still essential to use a separate sunscreen for full protection, especially if you're spending extended time in the sun. In terms of value for money, Estée Lauder is a luxury brand, and the price tag here reflects that. At around $50 for 1.2 fl, it's definitely on the pricier side. But if you're looking for a foundation with hydration, long-lasting wear, and added SPF, it's an investment that's worth considering, especially if you're someone who values quality skincare ingredients built into your makeup routine. If you're looking for a similar product at a lower price point, you might want to check out the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation, which offers a similar dewy finish and hydration, though without the SPF. For those on a budget, it's a good alternative that still provides a glowing look and decent wear time. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, with a pump that helps control how much product comes out. This is a thoughtful touch, as it ensures you won't waste product. I've been using it consistently for over a week, and I've barely made a dent in the bottle, so a little goes a long way. In terms of customer service, I've had positive experiences with Estée Lauder in the past. They have a good reputation for being responsive and willing to help if issues arise, but I didn't need to interact with their customer support for this purchase. To wrap things up, Estée Lauder's Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Foundation SPF 45 is a solid choice for anyone seeking a radiant, hydrating foundation with the added benefit of SPF. It's especially ideal for dry or combination skin, but those with oily skin might need to powder throughout the day. The price is on the higher side, but for its long-lasting wear, hydration, and skin protection, it's worth the investment. particularly if you're looking to simplify your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this foundation or have any thoughts on Estée Lauder products, drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.